discomfort whatsoever. Your eyes are gently closed, you go 10 times deeper. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, absolutely perfect. As you go 10 times deeper. There you go.
You might have some bruising on your cheek.
Yeah. That's good to have a test in the hand, isn't it? How did I feel, Mark?
Yes, it was. I couldn't feel a thing. Like the finger just went off and done its own thing.
Yeah.
It tried to stop the finger. Like normally, if you do that yourself, you'd have a cramp at that point. No, it's just had to bite its own. Pinching the hand, I was there going, I'm pinching and pinching. I don't want to break the skin. I can't feel anything. And I just get one more little because I knew what I was putting onto it. Like, there's still marks there.
Yeah.
And it's the same with the face. It's kind of pinching the face and I started just squishing it because